Okay, what dog?
Tikapoodle.
What dog?
No, not a German Shepherd. Tikapoodle. It's so small. It's like as small as this part of my hand. And then he trains. If you train him, he gets it so easily. If you just say don't pee on in the house.
You want like Adam's dog?
Yeah, that's how big Adam's. Should I tell you, Daddy? You don't need to. If you get a golden retriever, you don't have to say he won't pee, and if he goes outside, he won't.
Okay. You still need to walk in, both of you.
Yeah. So we get 2 dogs.
No, we don't. Only one dog. But I think one dog would be bored. That's the problem.
2 dogs then.
It's to get them. So you have to.
Tikapoodle and a golden retriever.
I don't know. I have to think about this. It's too much.
Then if it's only one dog, it has to be Tikapoodle. No golden retriever. No Tikapoodle.
Reese, what do you suggest?
Which one, Tikapoodle or golden
You don't
retriever?
care? No?
But Reese, Sarah and Sophia's dog is only a poodle. Mine is Tikapoodle. Because they can fit inside of a teacup.
Okay. We'll look into that. Get ready. We're gonna park in a second.
Park. It's not even off.
That was quick.
Stop!
Guys, don't fight. That kiss doesn't count. Neither both of you. Science here.
No, I'm not giving you another one.
Okay. Get out.
Go.
Get out. These two always fight. Always fight. Who's gonna feed the dog? Who's gonna walk the dog?
Me.
You're gonna.
I'll even take his poop.
You're gonna pick up his poop from the ground? No, you're not. I will end up doing this whole thing, and I don't have time for that.
No.
What dog you want?
I want maybe like a fluffy one.
Fluffy dog.
Yeah.
You're gonna walk him and feed him and shower him?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't think you will.
I will.
Well, I got you a turtle the other day and you did nothing to it.
Because he's boring. He just eats.
Well, the dogs are quite cute, but you have to look after them. You need to have time.
I will.
You need to take them for a walk,
I will.
feed them, train them.
I will feed them.
What are you gonna feed the dog?
Dog treats.
Dog what?
Dog treats.
A big dog. If daddy's gonna get a dog, he's gonna get a big, massive dog.
Can I get a golden retriever then?
What is that?
It's like this big. In my art class, my art teacher has one, and it's so nice.
Okay.
And you can train them to protect you. And they're really fluffy. If you want a big dog, you can get a golden retriever, which I also like.
To be honest, I'm not ready to get any dog for anyone.
No.
I'm barely having time to look after you guys. You just need what?
Dog food,
Okay.
a dog bed, and some toys for it, and a bowl for the food and water
That's it?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna put the dog?
in the bed.
Where are you gonna put the dog in the house?
We can make the storage room the dog place,
And what we're gonna do in the storage
or
stuff?
in my bed,
In your bed?
or in my room.
Okay. We'll see. We'll think about it. I don't know. What do you guys suggest?
No, maybe they're behind the couch.
Okay. Let's see. Maybe people have a better advice on what dog to get. I need something not messy. I need something that doesn't ruin the house.
Yeah,
Something that
golden
doesn't need to be kind of. I don't need to give it too much attention.
Yeah,
Which I don't think is
golden
something possible.
Retriever does nothing. It just makes you safe and just sits and walks.
We need to train him. We need to have a big garden where you can, make him train hard.
There. You can train him there.
Okay, I will think about it. Okay, get dressed. Let's go to bed. Yell.
So early.